In an Excel spreadsheet, you can add links to websites, other documents, other cells in the same sheet or other sheets in the workbook. This workbook has 3 sheets named Total, First Semester and Second Semester. On the Total sheet, you can see 2 links at the top. Clicking the first link takes you to the first semester sheet, and clicking the second one takes you to the second semester sheet. Such links are very useful to navigate a workbook with a large number of sheets. Let's learn to create links. Click the cell in which you want the link. Then, on the Insert tab in the Links group, click Link. In the displayed window, select Place in this document on the left. In the Text to Display box, enter the text you want displayed in the cell. In the Or select a place in this document box, click First Semester. Then click OK. You can format the linked cell as desired. Create the link to the next sheet in a similar way. Now, the total sheet has a chart at the bottom. To create a link to this chart, go to the top of the sheet and click the desired cell. Then click the link icon. In the displayed window, enter the text to be displayed. Then, enter the cell reference of a cell near the bottom of the chart. In the Type the Cell Reference box, click OK. Format the linked cell as desired and then click it. You are taken to the chart now.